spent hours getting the perfect tattoo, but what if you accidentally ruin it within the first few days? Thousands of people make simple aftercare mistakes that cause fading, infections, blurry lines, and even permanent damage. In this video, we'll reveal the 15 biggest tattoo aftercare mistakes you must avoid.
Perfect. And stay until the end, because mistake number 15 is the one most people make without even realizing it.
Mistake number 1. Removing the bandage too early. The first mistake many people make is removing the protective bandage too early. A fresh tattoo is like an open wound, and the bandage protects it from bacteria, dust, and irritation. Taking it off before the recommended time can increase the risk of infection and slow down the healing process. Always follow your tattoo artist's aftercare instructions. Mistake number 2. Touching your tattoo with dirty hands. A fresh tattoo is more than just body art, it's an open wound. One of the biggest mistakes people make is touching it with dirty hands. Even if your hands look clean, they can carry invisible bacteria and germs. Touching your tattoo without washing your hands can increase the risk of infection, redness, and slow healing. Before cleaning, moisturizing, or checking your tattoo, always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. This simple habit can protect your tattoo and help it heal beautifully. Mistake number 3. Using too much ointment. Many people believe that applying a thick layer of tattoo ointment helps the tattoo heal faster. But that's actually a common mistake. Too much ointment can trap moisture, block airflow, and make it harder for your skin to heal naturally. Your tattoo needs to breathe. Applying only a thin layer of the recommended aftercare cream keeps the skin moisturized without slowing the healing process. Remember, more cream doesn't mean faster healing. It can actually do the opposite. Mistake number 4. Scratching or peeling the tattoo. As your tattoo heals, it will naturally become itchy and start to peel. Many people make the mistake of scratching it or pulling off the peeling skin. This can remove ink from the tattoo, cause patchy healing, and even leave scars. No matter how itchy it feels, let the skin peel naturally. Keeping the tattoo moisturized will reduce the itching and help it heal properly. Mistake number 5. Exposing a fresh tattoo to sunlight. Fresh tattoos are extremely sensitive to sunlight. Direct UV rays can fade the ink, damage the healing skin, and make your tattoo lose its sharp details much sooner. During the first few weeks, keep your tattoo covered whenever you're outside. After it heals completely, use sunscreen to protect the colors and keep your tattoo looking vibrant for years. Mistake number 6. Soaking your tattoo in water too soon. A fresh tattoo should never be soaked in water during the healing process. Many people think it's okay to swim, take long baths, or relax in a hot tub just a few days after getting tattooed. But soaking your tattoo can soften the healing skin, wash away ink, and increase the risk of infection. During the first 2 to 4 weeks, avoid swimming pools, beaches, hot tubs, and long baths. A quick shower is perfectly fine, but never let your fresh tattoo stay underwater for too long. Mistake number 7. Wearing tight clothes over a fresh tattoo. Another common mistake is wearing tight clothes over a fresh tattoo. Tight fabric constantly rubs against the healing skin, causing irritation, redness, and sometimes even pulling away small scabs. This can affect the final appearance of your tattoo. During the first few weeks, wear loose, clean, and breathable clothing so your skin can heal naturally. Giving your tattoo enough space is one of the easiest ways to protect your new ink. Mistake number 8. Ignoring your tattoo artist and instructions. Every tattoo artist provides aftercare instructions for a reason. Ignoring those instructions and following random advice from friends or social media can lead to slow healing, faded ink, or even infection. Your artist understands the tattoo they created and knows the best way to care for it. If you're ever unsure about something, contact your tattoo artist instead of guessing. Following professional advice is the safest way to keep your tattoo looking its best. Mistake number 9. Working out too soon? After getting a new tattoo, many people can't wait to return to the gym. But that's one of the biggest aftercare mistakes. Heavy workouts cause sweating, skin stretching, and constant friction, which can slow down healing and even increase the risk of infection. If your tattoo is near a joint or muscle, repeated movement may also affect how the ink settles. Instead of rushing back to exercise, give your tattoo enough time to recover. Rest, stay hydrated, and follow your tattoo artist's advice. A few days of patience can help your tattoo heal beautifully and keep it looking sharp for years. Mistake number 10. Not drinking enough water. Your tattoo heals from the inside out, not just from the creams you apply. One of the most overlooked mistakes is not drinking enough water. When your body is dehydrated, your skin becomes dry, healing slows down, and your tattoo may lose its fresh appearance. Staying hydrated keeps your skin healthy, supports faster healing, and helps your tattoo stay bright and vibrant. Remember, beautiful tattoos start with healthy skin. Mistake number 11. Wearing dirty clothes on a fresh tattoo. A fresh tattoo is like an open wound, and wearing dirty clothes over it can expose your skin to bacteria, sweat, and dust. This increases the risk of irritation and infection, slowing down the healing process. Always wear clean, loose, breathable clothing during the first few weeks. Fresh clothes help protect your tattoo and allow your skin to heal safely. Mistake number 12. Ignoring signs of infection. Some redness, swelling, and tenderness are normal during the first few days after getting a tattoo. But if you notice increasing pain, excessive swelling, pus, a bad smell, or a fever, don't ignore these warning signs. Many people wait too long, hoping the problem will go away on its own. Acting quickly and contacting your tattoo artist or a healthcare professional can prevent serious complications. Taking care of your health is just as important as taking care of your tattoo. Mistake number 13. Picking or peeling scabs. As your tattoo heals, it's completely normal for small scabs to form. But one of the biggest mistakes people make is picking or peeling them off. Pulling off a scab too early can remove ink, leave empty patches, cause scars, and increase the risk of infection. Even if your tattoo feels itchy, let the scabs fall off naturally. Be patient, keep the area moisturized with the recommended Aftercare lotion, and allow your skin to heal on its own. Patience today means a beautiful tattoo tomorrow. Mistake number 14. Skipping moisturizer. Many people think their tattoo will heal on its own, so they skip using moisturizer. But dry skin can cause excessive itching, cracking, and uneven healing, making your tattoo lose its sharp appearance. The key is to apply a thin layer of fragrance-free tattoo aftercare moisturizer exactly as recommended by your tattoo artist. Don't use too much, and don't skip it completely. Proper moisturizing keeps your skin healthy and helps your tattoo heal with bright, clean, and long-lasting results. Mistake number 15. Rushing the healing process, the biggest mistake. The biggest tattoo aftercare mistake is expecting your tattoo to heal overnight. Many people become impatient and think their tattoo is fully healed after just a few days. They start scratching it, swimming, working out, or ignoring aftercare too early. But tattoo healing takes time. The outer skin may look healed within a couple of weeks, while the deeper layers continue healing for much longer. Trust the process, follow your tattoo artist's advice, and be patient. A little care today will keep your tattoo looking sharp, vibrant, and beautiful for many years. Remember, great tattoos aren't just created by talented artists, they're also protected by proper aftercare. A tattoo is a lifelong investment, and proper aftercare is the key to keeping it beautiful. Which mistake surprised you the
A
most?
tattoo is a lifelong investment, and proper aftercare is the key to keeping it beautiful. Which mistake surprised you the most? I love this tattoo. If you like it too, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.